Understanding Post-Foreclosure, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that might sound complex at first, but is very relevant in the world of real estate and finance. Post-foreclosure. We'll break it down together, ensuring you understand what it means and how it can impact individuals and the housing market. So, let's get started and demystify this term. Post-foreclosure refers to the period after a property has been foreclosed upon by the lender. Foreclosure is the legal process where a lender takes possession of a property due to the borrower's failure to make mortgage payments. In post-foreclosure, the property is usually owned by the bank or a financial institution, and it is often when the property is either sold or prepared for sale. To fully grasp post-foreclosure, it's crucial to understand the stages of foreclosure. 1. Pre-foreclosure. This is when the borrower starts missing mortgage payments and the lender issues a notice of default. 2. Foreclosure. If the borrower fails to catch up on payments, the lender may take legal action to seize the property. 3. Post-foreclosure. This is the focus of our discussion today. After the property is foreclosed, it enters post-foreclosure, where it can be sold through an auction, become a real estate-owned (REO) property, or go through other processes depending on the jurisdiction. For homeowners, post-foreclosure can be a challenging time. It often means 1. Relocating. Homeowners must vacate the property. 2. Credit impact. A foreclosure significantly impacts the homeowner's credit score, making it difficult to purchase another home or get loans in the future. 3. Emotional stress. Losing a home can be emotionally draining and stressful. Despite the challenges, post-foreclosure can also present opportunities, especially for investors and homebuyers. 1. Purchasing properties. Properties in post-foreclosure can sometimes be bought at lower prices, offering opportunities for investors or homebuyers looking for affordable options. 2. Renovation and resale. Investors often renovate these properties and sell them for a profit. Understanding post-foreclosure is crucial for anyone interested in real estate, whether you're a homeowner, investor, or just curious about the topic. We hope this video has shed light on what happens after a property is foreclosed and the implications for all parties involved. Remember, knowledge is the key to making informed decisions in the complex world of real estate. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful.